Hi, I'm Mark. I have an oven in my car and little to no experience in baking. Join me as I bake in my car.
Welcome to another episode of Baked in My Car. Today we're camped in the Hunter Valley, it's a sunny day, and we're going to be making a dessert classic, chocolate chip brownies. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Here's a list you can screenshot for later. First thing you want to do is chop 250 grams of unsalted butter. Cut them into cubes like this and be careful with the knife. Now fill a pot with water and bring it to simmer. Now put a bowl on top of the pot full of the butter and 250 grams of 70% dark chocolate. Crack in a little salt too. You want to stir it occasionally as the mixture melts. Now keep going until it's perfectly smooth, then turn off the heat. Then in a separate bowl, add 1 cup of raw caster sugar and 4 eggs. Then whisk this all together. You want to keep whisking until it's light and fluffy. Now sift in 2 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now whisk that mixture together. This can get a little messy. Eventually it'll start to look like this. Now pour the melted chocolate into the mixing bowl and get ready to fold it through. Before you start mixing, add in a dash of vanilla essence. After you've done this, start to mix. Be careful not to overmix because it'll result in a rock cake. Now pour that batter into a lined baking tray. When it's in the tray, give it a shake so the batter gets into all the corners. This tray is made specifically for the Travel Buddy by Somerville Metalworks in Victoria. I'll put a link in the description. If you're feeling a bit extra, add some white chocolate chips. Now whack it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour. While you're waiting for that, make some new friends around camp. When cooked, it'll be slightly wobbly in the middle, but hard on the outside. Now leave it to cool, and when you're ready, serve it with caramel popcorn and ice cream.
And there you have it. Chocolate chip brownies, all baked in your car. Thank you for watching Baked in My Car. Make sure to like and subscribe and to follow us on Instagram @BakedInMyCar.